happens. So are you guys ready? Okay, let's dive into it. Okay, please start writing. Our word adventure with ice words has come to an end. You have learned and grown. That's something to celebrate. Keep practicing and